Hello, my name is Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited, and here is your daily technical analysis of foreign exchange markets.
Euro-dollar, a reactionary bearish black crow yesterday, but it was also day 2 in a 2-day separating lines pattern. Additionally, the market closed back below the 50% Fibonacci line for 2023 at 108.64. Though it was also still over for a fourth session, the bright red highlighted broken upper time, currently 108.13, of the late December 2023 to mid-March 2024 bearish shift pitchfork, as well as the medium moving average, currently 108.15. Further below are the combined short, medium and long moving averages, currently at 107.90 and 107.86 respectively. So we have thus had a break of the bright red bearish shift pitchfork, and I'm now wondering, will the market, will it repair it? Overhead we have the dark blue upper trend line, currently at 109.42, of the mid-April to date ascending expanding wedge pattern. This is quite a steep pattern. I would thus suggest paying further attention to the 50% Fibonacci line of the January 2021 to September 2022 move at 109.44 and the shallow descending neckline extension to the July 2017 to November 2018 head and shoulders pattern, which is currently at 110.14. So far today, well, not much, still hanging around that 50% Fibonacci line at 108.64. Cable, aka sterling against the US dollar. A second bullish white soldier yesterday and a new recent high, but in reality it was a higher and not a new high, not seen since late March, but still indecisive spinning top. So we've a higher but still indecisive spinning top. The move up once again challenged the combined 50% Fibonacci line of the June 2016 to September 22 move and the September 2020 low at 126.99, both at the same level there, closing barely over it. Above this is the bright red highlighted July 2021 to date downtrend, currently at 127.78. Meanwhile below is the mauve highlighted and flatlining medium moving average, currently 126.31, with the short medium moving average currently 125.99, just under that. And that is above the 50% Fibonacci line of the July to October 2023 move at 125.90. Overall, the market has broken up and out of the early March to mid-May bear channel. This break higher has left us a primary target X for this pattern up in the 128 even area, and a secondary harder to reach target X1 up in the 128.95 area. So far today, well, a seeming basing action on the combined 50% Fibonacci line and September 2020 low at 126.99, though not really trying too far higher. Euro sterling, a fourth bearish black crow on Friday and a second consecutive close below the flatlining short medium moving average, currently 85.63, and a declining medium moving average, currently 85.61, as well as a significant first close below both the lower purple highlighted trend line, currently at 85.45, of the late January to date expanding wedge pattern, as well as the combined support of the December 2022 low at 85.45 and the December 2023 low at 85.47. Topside, we still have the capping action of the flatlining long moving average, currently 86.02, whilst further below we have the bright red neckline, currently at 85.09, of the May to August 2022 head and shoulders continuation pattern. And so far today, seemingly capped by the purple lower trend line, though it's being tested at the moment. Capped plus also the December 22 and 23 lows, though not really pursuing much of a move lower. not much of a move anywhere. US dollar against the Japanese yen. A third bullish white soldier yesterday and a close over the June 1990 high at 155.78. The market butting up against the overhead bright red middle time, currently 156.41, of the July to December 2023 bullish Andrews pitchfork. Meanwhile below, well, below there's not really much until the rising short medium moving average, currently 152.96. Overall, we are still in between the purple highlighted middle time above, currently at 160.80 of the lower, and the lower time below, currently 146.72 of the large February 2022 to January 2023 bullish shift pitchfork. Now, so far today, well, another attempt higher, up at the bright red middle time, but also staying up over the June 1990 high. The middle time is actually still capping the market right now. US dollar against the CNH, the offshore Chinese yuan. A bullish closing white Mariposa yesterday, as well as a third bullish white soldier. The base of the action was this time on the mess of moving averages consisting of the declining short moving average, currently 723.09, the slowly rising short medium moving average, currently 723.58, and the important long moving average, currently 723.49. Prices punched and closed clear over the dark blue highlighted upper trend line extension to the January to April ascending triangle, currently at 723.94. Looking further down, we have the medium moving average, currently at 721.92, and the May 2020 high at 719.64, which actually is of limited use, that one. Now looking topside, we're now in a congestion area dating from mid-March to late April between roughly 724 even up to 727 even. So far today, a further, cautious, follow-on higher, but pulling back for now. The base of the action seems to be on the dark blue upper trend line extension. US dollar against the Mexican peso. A fourth bearish black crow with a new low not seen since mid-April. Prices closed for a third consecutive time below the 2023 low at 1661.94 and a neckline extension currently 1658.76 of the February 2021 to April 2021 head and shoulders top. Overhead we have the dark blue highlighted middle time currently at 1668.33 of the breach but seemingly repaired December 2023 to January 2024 mildly bearish shift pitchfork. Whilst further down we have the start of stratified supports, beginning with the December 2015 low at 1646.25. Overall, these recent declines counter to a large degree last month's monthly key reversal up seen here. So far today, well, a fresh low as we travel down in a fairly free area down to the start of congestion at 1646.25.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.